Today's topic is sentence used to buy things. When we go to the market to buy things, how can we use sentence? How can we buy things? Let's start. If you want to say ये कितने का है, how much is that? You can say it, how much is that? ये कितने का बिकता है? How much does that be sold for? How much does that be sold for? ये संतरा कितने के हैं? For how much are these oranges? For how much are these oranges? मुझे 1 किलो सेब दीजिए, बड़े वाले दीजिए, सड़े गले ना हो. Give me a kilo of apples, pick out big ones. Please, they must not have spoiled, spot on them. Give me a kilo of apples, pick out big ones. Please, they must not have spoiled, spot on them. मुझे कुछ पेटियाँ देखनी है. I would like to see some belts. I would like to see some belts. मुझे टूथपेस्ट दे दीजिए. Give me a tube of toothpaste. Give me a tube of toothpaste. मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपके पास कोई चीज़ सस्ती है. I don't think that you have anything cheaper. I don't think that you have anything cheaper. क्या मैं 10 रुपये के डाक टिकट ले सकती हूँ? Can I have a 10 rupees postal stamp? Can I have a 10 rupees postal stamps please? 50 पैसे वाले 20 डाक टिकट दे दीजिए. Please give me 20 stamps each of 50 पैसे. Please give me 20 stamps each of 50 पैसे. क्या आपके पास हल्के रंग वाला कपड़ा है? Have you got cloth in lighter color? Have you got cloth in lighter color? आलू आज किस भाव हैं? How are the rates of potato today's? How are the rates of potato today's? कृपया शैम्पू की एक बोतल दे दीजिए. A bottle of shampoo please. A bottle of shampoo please. इन सब का मुझे कितना देना है आपको? How much do I pay you for all this? How much do I pay you for all this? मुझे नींबू चाहिए, कृपया छोटे उठाइए. I want some lemons. Pick me out a few small ones. I want some lemons. Pick me out a few small ones, please. Now I can understand the meaning of this sentence. I can translate it and I can understand. But when the time comes to speak in front of the other person, my mind goes blank. I forgot the sentence. How can I use it in conversation and how can I read it the way I will not forgive that. Whenever I want to use it, I really need this sentence. They just automatically come to my mouth. I don't have to do anything. They just come to my mind exactly like my mother tongue. So try to use this sentence in your mind. Try to imagine a situation where you can use this sentence. For example, imagine in your mind. Imagine in your mind that you are going to market to buy things. Okay. Excuse me? How much is that? 250 rupees, ma'am. Okay. How much are these oranges? 60 rupees per kg. And how much are the rates of potatoes today? 30 rupees kg, ma'am. I don't think that you have anything cheaper. Do you have? Give me a kilo of apples. Pick out big ones. Please, they must not have spoiled on them. Give me a tube of toothpaste and a bottle of shampoo also, please. One more thing. I want to buy some lemons. Pick me out a few small ones, please. And how much do I pay you for all these things? Other shop. Excuse me, how can I help you, ma'am? Have you got clothes in lighter color? Okay, wait, let me check. Let me show you what I want to you. Okay, ma'am, show me. Next shop. Excuse me, sir. Yes. Do you have stems? What kind of stems do you want? Because I have so many stems in different price. Can I have a 10 rupees postal stamp, please? And give me 20 stamp, each of 50 paise. Okay. How much do I pay you for all these things? Trust me, if you read the sentence, if you learn the sentence just like that, then you will not forgive that. And when the situations comes to you, that sentence automatically come to your mind. You don't have to read this sentence, you don't have to struggle so much, you don't and when you says that, so many times you says that the sentence, the words comes not to your mind, and these problems is go away from you. Best of luck.